Meaning of hassock.
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 hassock,
Hassock. A hassock is a padded cushion or low stool that is used for kneeling or sitting. It is typically used in religious settings for prayer, but can also be used in other contexts such as for meditation or simply as a comfortable seating option. The word originates from the Old English word hassock, which means a small turf-covered hill or mound. Hassocks may be made from a variety of materials including fabric, leather, wood, or plastic. They come in various shapes, sizes, and designs to fit individual preferences and needs.